Hey guys, welcome back to another Metasploitable hacking series. In this video, we'll be discovering how to exploit Metasploitable machine through FTP, File Transfer Protocol. So what is FTP? FTP is a standard network protocol used for transferring files between devices over a network. So let's open up terminal and nmap the IP address. I'm not sure if that's correct. Yes. Specify -A aggressive mode. As I always say, guys, if you're not sure about any command, just go and type nmap -h. So you can just come here and check what nmap can do. Go back to our result. So we are interested in FTP. So anonymous FTP login allowed. I'm not going in depth in that, but I'll just show you one thing. FTP 10.00 234 anonymous. We're in. That means FTP server is configured to allow users to connect without providing a username or password. So this is often used for public files that doesn't need for a user to authenticate to get to that files. It's for the public, for everyone. But keep in mind, you cannot do much about this. You have no privilege. So let's see. There, okay, ls. You see, you're restricted. You cannot navigate through files or you can do nothing. So that is a case. So let's close that and go back to our, I just want to mention that. So now we'll be using two methods. First one is brute forcing with a username list and password list and try to get in. And the second method will be using Metasploitable framework. So let's start with brute forcing. In this instance, I'll be using ncrack. So let's ncrack -b the port 21 -u user file -b password file and FTP and give it the IP address. I believe it's 234. Yeah, should work now. So the word list is quite long, so it takes quite of time. So let's wait for the result. Here is the result. So we got the username and password. So let's go and try if we can connect with this credential. FTP 234 MSF admin. And yeah, we're in. So as you can see, guys, we can navigate through the files, and we can see here directories. Let's go and enter, let's say, admin. So as you can see here, we can navigate through without any issues. So now let's try the other method. What we're gonna do is just let's grab this version and see if it has any vulnerabilities. So I'm gonna use by search exploit. So as you can see here, it came out with 2 vulnerabilities. One is in the Metasploit. Okay, let's go and run MSF console. Let's go and search for FTP and same version, and here we go. So as you can see, it came out with the same vulnerability as we saw in the search exploit. So this is the payload that will execute on the server, so we can get a Meterpreter session. So let's go and use 0. As usual, show options. Let's set some, we have to set our host, set our host to the IP, to the target IP address. And that's it. Let's run. As you can see here, the shell has been found. So the session has been created, number 1. Let's go and that's it. We're in. We have root privileges. I have full access to the server, and as I can see and navigate through the server. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you like it, please share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.